FlexWage Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into FlexWage, an innovative platform designed to give employees greater control over their finances by providing access to earned wages before payday. FlexWage offers several key features that set it apart in the realm of earned wage access, EWA. Primarily, it allows employees to access their earned wages anytime, eliminating the stress of financial emergencies and helping users avoid costly overdraft fees or high-interest loans. The platform integrates seamlessly with existing payroll systems, ensuring that the access to funds is smooth and hassle-free. FlexWage is specifically designed for employees across various sectors, particularly those in lower income brackets or hourly positions who might struggle to make ends meet between paychecks. Its user-friendly mobile app allows for quick access to funds, making it an attractive option for those who value financial flexibility and instant cash flow management. One of the standout features is its real-time payroll integration, which not only allows users to see how much they've earned, but also provides an easy way to withdraw funds as needed. Moreover, FlexWage doesn't charge interest on the accessed wages, which is a significant advantage over traditional payday loans. Instead, they charge a small fee per transaction, making it a cost-effective solution for financial management. The platform also offers financial wellness resources, including budgeting tools and educational content, to help users manage their money more effectively. However, while FlexWage provides numerous benefits, it's essential to consider that its usage should be approached with care. Regularly accessing wages early could lead to a cycle of dependency on immediate funds, which might undermine long-term financial stability. Therefore, it's crucial to use this service as a tool for enhancing financial wellness rather than as a crutch. In conclusion, FlexWage offers a powerful solution for employees seeking financial freedom and flexibility. With its easy access to earned wages, user-friendly features, and commitment to financial wellness, it's definitely worth considering for anyone looking to improve their cash flow management. But remember, like any financial product, it should be used wisely. Thank you for watching this honest review of FlexWage. Be sure to evaluate your options thoroughly before making a decision.